Carl and Kate are not married. They have an 8-year-old son, Louis. Carl and Kate signed a voluntary acknowledgement of parentage, so Carl is Louis's legal father. But Carl and Kate never went to court, so Kate has sole custody of Louis.
Carl, Louis, and I have lived together as a family for the past 8 years. Carl has been a good father. But during the last few years, he began to suffer from severe mood swings. Sometimes he'd be so depressed he could not get up and go to work or take Louis to school. Sometimes he'd be uncontrollably excited. He couldn't focus on his job or our family. He sometimes sees a therapist, but he doesn't always take his medicine. We talked, and Kyle agreed that he needs to move out and get professional care.
I still want to spend time with Louis. Kate wants to see each other too. In Kate and Carl's situation, the parents are not in an ongoing case. There is no visitation or parenting time order, and they need a parenting time order. Kate can find a complaint for custody support parenting time to ask Carl to have parenting time. When Kate files her complaint, she must also file an affidavit disclosing care or custody proceeding. The form tells the court if there are already any court orders about your child. It also tells the court if any judge is making decisions about your child right now. Usually, complaints take a long time to go through the court system. Motions do not take as long. So in addition to filing a complaint, Kate can also file a motion for parenting time order to ask that Carl have parenting time. She would also file a proposed order and an affidavit in support of motion for parenting time order.
Only start a case in court if you need a court order. Once you start a case, the other parent can bring up other issues that concern them, like custody, child support, or domestic violence. If you file a case, the other parent can file their own case to respond to yours. Even if you are not worried about health or safety, the other parent may be. If you are not sure if you need to file a case, talk to a lawyer